I'm going to show you how to customize the status bar of your OnePlus 15. Basically choosing what icons are shown and which ones are hidden from that status bar. So if you go into settings and then go to notifications and quick settings, tap on that and then go to status bar and tap on that. You can choose whether you want to show notification icons, or you can just show a number, or you can completely hide notification icons. And then you can choose the battery style. You can have a horizontal style for the battery or a loop, or even you can completely hide the battery style. And then choose whether you want to show or hide the battery percentage. And then now you can choose some other status bar icons like real-time network speed. If you want to show that, you can select it. And of course, that shows the network speed. And then also you can choose whether you want to show or hide the VO LTE HD voice icon. All these icons, silent mode icon, you can choose whether you want to show or hide, NFC, all this stuff. So that is basically how to customize the status bar of your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching and good luck.